want to make this animation. Go to Video and choose the landscape one. Now, zoom the page. Now, click this icon. Make the timeline bigger. That's enough, I think. Click the plus button. Click on blank. Now, you can change the background color. I'm going for this one. Now, go to Elements and type in Search Bar. Just use this one and drag it to the design. Adjust the size and place it in the middle. And adjust the size. I think that would be perfect. Now let's animate it. I'm going for old TV. Now go to text. Type your text. You can change the font as you like. I'm going for 10 cents. Make it appear after the animation. Let's check it. Now, let's animate the text. I am going for typewriter. And decrease the speed as you like. Again, search for mouse cursor. Go to Graphics. This one. Animate it with scrapbook. On Enter. Make it appear after the text animation end. And go through Elements again. Search for Shape. Choose this one. Make it white and resize to fit it exactly with the blue one. Place it under the cursor, and here it is. And animate it with flicker. So here it is, and change the speed. Now it's time to sound design. Again, go to Elements and search for Keyboard. Take this one. Adjust it with the text. Again, search for mouse click. Place it here. And that's it. And when you finish, go to Share and download the video. And here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. See you in the next video.